Welcome to Health Neighborhood. There is a myth surrounding working women who lead multitasking lives. It says that they are the last people to pile on the pounds. Well, it is only a myth, and working women too need to take care of their calories, especially if their work is of a sedentary nature and involves being chained to the desk most of the time. There's a lot you can do to cut down on the calories at work. Here's how. Number 1. Walk the talk. Research suggests that standing burns more calories than sitting. And walking while doing different things helps further the cause. So ditch those emails and walk over to your colleague's cubicle to discuss things. Use headphones and walk while talking on the phone, take short breaks to drink water. The possibilities to walk around the office are endless. Number 2. Green your drink. Keep sipping on green tea throughout your working day. It contains antioxidants, has diuretic properties and helps in weight loss. Number 3. Pack a lunch. Instead of heading out to lunch, grabbing a burger or sandwich, pack a lunch that includes healthy and sensible choices like salads and greens. Number 4. Work out at the desk. There are some simple stretching exercises that you can do at your desk. One is to work your legs by bending your knees over your toes. Straighten the leg by pushing through the feet. Repeat at least 8 times. Number 5. Take the stairs. Even if you work on the 10th floor, try to walk up and down at least once a day, if health permits. You'll be surprised at how much weight you can lose over a period of time. Number 6. Laughing out loud burns the calories. We are not suggesting that you laugh out loud during work time, but use the break to share lighter moments with your friends and colleagues at work. It eases the tension and helps you lose weight too. Number 7. Roll out stress. Did you know stress can actually pack on the pounds? Many people store a large amount of stress in the neck. A simple way to release stress is to roll your neck, which is said to release fat storage in the tummy. Number 8. Snack on. Instead of binging on a heavy lunch, snack on little meals throughout the day. Healthy options include nuts, sprouts and small salads. Trying some of these tips can really make a big difference at work. Start small and try 1 or 2 things to start and gradually build up. Please subscribe to our channel and smash the like button. We'll see you on the next one.